Did some breathing exercises outside in the woods in the heat last summer. I thought I would have died out in the light. I'm getting scared, my brother. You don't know who I am, and that's alright. I'm both the same boat in these waters, and the pines will grow, and then you'll know that I'm home, my brother. I'd take you on the road, but Mom's scared I'll crash and kill me driving. I would travel the coast and cough on the smoke of a Midwest backyard fire. It'd feel so alive and it'd be so divine. I think of these days forever, and the road will show